Hi friends, and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can use the same account in the Telegram app on two devices. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put likes under this video and write your comment after watching. So friends, let's get down to our topic. For example, I have two devices from which I always log into Telegram. The first device is an iPhone 10. And from that, I always log into Telegram. And I also have a second device, which you can see now, which is Android. And now I'm going to show you how I access the Telegram app from Android. So that way you don't have to log out of it from your iPhone. So friends, first of all, you'll need to make sure that you have the Telegram app downloaded on your phone. If Telegram is not downloaded on your device yet, then you will need to go to your device either to the Play Store or the App Store on your iPhone and then download the Telegram app. Next, folks, open up that app and you'll be taken to an initial page like this. You will need to click on Start Here. Then enter your phone number, which is already registered in the Telegram application. After you enter your phone number, also make sure that the country that is mentioned is correct. Also friends, next click on this arrow right here. Confirm that this is your phone number. After that, you're going to get a Telegram text message. And you'll need to enter the password which you will receive in the SMS. And once you've entered that password, you'll go straight to your Telegram page and you can use it on a second device. In this way, friends, you will have Telegram application in working condition on several devices at once. That's how you can use the same Telegram account on two devices. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Subscribe to our channel and see you soon.